Jerry, you have a...
You guys see it? It's a good guy right there. Good looking out, Nick. I appreciate you, brother. It's a real good guy right there, guys. He came and rescued me tonight. As y'all can see, we're running a little less than 14 volts because we got bad batteries. So, you already know, guys. Get home in the morning, it's time to change batteries. The grind never stops. Let's get it.
That thing sounds good, baby. My hand. Up there by the seat.
Recording. All right, guys, so we're taking this fairing off. This last trip, I noticed that I was getting less than 14 volts, and when I got out to take my 30, I smelled like a rotten egg smell, like a sulfur smell. Stunk real bad. It was going in the cab and everything, so pretty sure one of these or all these are swelled up or no good, so we're just gonna go ahead and swap them out. Wife picked me up 4 last night because when I woke up to dead batteries. The truck wouldn't start. So the way I do these is I do them one at a time, so I don't get confused or get no wires mixed up. So I'm gonna get all my stuff ready and then I'll be back with y'all. All right, guys, we gotta break these bolts loose here. I don't know what they call, but it's basically what fastens the battery down. I already did the other side, so I didn't get it on camera, so I'm doing this so you guys can see. Alright guys, with a 15-inch wrench, I'm gonna just break those loose. Like I said, I'm gonna do one at a time. That's how I do it. I'm not a professional. I'm just a professional driver, so I'm not a professional mechanic. And then I'm gonna bust this other one loose back here. Got some corrosion back here on that first battery.
Shut the door with your back, Daddy.
What's this? I didn't like it. Pretty cool batteries, y'all. Wifey picked them up last night for how much?
$77.
$77 a piece. So, got a little, what's that? Got a little light indicator, lets you know the status of the battery. So, they're really nice, like plastic. Clean those terminals off before I put that shit on there.
Let me go get your wire brush.
Have some Coca-Cola.
You want me to go get you some?
Nah, sorry. Appreciate it. Little old school trick here, y'all. Got some pretty bad corrosion. These back terminals, positive terminals, as you can see, all the debris. But we got some Coca-Cola in this cup. I'm just letting the terminal soak in there so I can eat all that corrosion off. See, it's thick. It was a lot worse than that. Alright. Just a little Coca-Cola and a wire brush will do. Y'all can see before it was all caked up around the edges. Very little left. Almost ready to put this battery back in, y'all. Alright guys, there you have it. All 4 brand new batteries have been installed. And that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Love you all. God bless.